Salam everyone, welcome to Mama Look channel. We are making Bihari keema. Let's make it. We need to make this Bihari keema. Beef, mince 1 lb, salt 1 teaspoon or to taste, garam masala 1 teaspoon. My homemade Mughliai Garam Masala link is in my description box. Roasted crushed cumin and coriander 1 tablespoon. Crushed red pepper 1 tablespoon or to taste, Kashmiri red chili 1 tablespoon. Roasted chickpeas flour 1 tablespoon. Raw papaya paste 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Mustard oil 1 tablespoon. Half lemon juice. Greek yogurt 1 cup. Mix all the ingredients well. Roasted ground cashews 1 tablespoon. I forgot to add roasted ground cashews before mixing the ingredients. Cover and marinate for 2 to 3 hours or overnight for best result. Heat 1/4 cup mustard oil. Add 2 chopped onions. Fry until golden brown. Add marinated keema and fry. Keep stirring and cook on medium-high heat for 10 minutes. Lower the heat and cover the lid and cook for 20 minutes until the oil rises to the surface. Stir frequently. Heat a piece of coal on top your stove until it gets ashy. Place a piece of foil in your mince part. Place the coal on the foil. Pouring a little oil on the coal will start to smoke. Close the lid immediately. Leave until the smoke dissipates. Garnish with onions and green chilies. Serve with paratha or naan. Thanks for watching. Masalama.